Yo everybody, I'm trying out the new Chick-fil-A spicy chicken biscuit. One complaint, a lot of people have been saying that it's not spicy enough. Well, you know, you can't sell it too spicy. For the people who do like a little kick, won't get it. You have to make it just spicy enough to where the people who like that kick and the people who like spicy stuff will get it. So here's the biscuit, just a regular size, you know, spicy chicken biscuit, patty or whatever, you know. Nice size in my opinion. You know, you don't need too much, too small or whatever. Flaky biscuit. So let's give it a bite. Alright. My opinion, just enough heat, not overbearing where you're gonna have to go out and drink a gallon of water. You know, for $2 or $3 or so, a little over $2, it's pretty good. Chick-fil-A, and I guess everybody out there who doesn't like Chick-fil-A right now because of certain reasons, then get your spicy chicken biscuit from somewhere else. But my opinion, pretty good. Go out and try it at least once. Hey, see you on the next video.